Here's a 1967 CL160. Been looking for one of these for about 5 years. And a nice person named Kurt out of Helena decided to sell me this. Used to be a paper boy, which I was also a paper boy, and he'd deliver his route on this according to his brother. And it's got 8441 miles on it. No key, doesn't turn over. Exhaust is in super good condition. I think the Kickstarter just needs a bolt, needs a side cover. But some side emblems, and this should turn out to be a pretty bike. I've got one just like it that's a Japanese domestic market model, which is a 125, looks exactly like this, but I've been looking for a 160, and these were cool because they were the 2 years that this model wasn't electric start. I liked the electric start, but they were trying to do a stripped down model, and this is it. So here's the after, and this is always just the first go around just to see what I got. Whatever falls off was going to fall off when I rode it, and cleaned up very nicely. And then I took off one of the side covers so I could get into the frame, and these filters are just notorious for letting water in if you let them sit, and the one side was exposed, and I'm sure that's what happened. But just hopefully a good start. And they make reproduction emblems, so that's not a problem, but I just like getting them running first. So just once again, good before and after, and we'll see what happens down the road.